Well, welcome to this video. This time I'm going to be going through a construction technique on building this ring with these facets on here. This is actually a model from the website of Constantin Stancescu from Romania. He's a retired instructor, professor, whatever, teaches. He's got a lot of tutorials out here for Inventor. But even though they're set up for Inventor, they work equally well for Alibre. So with that, let me put this away. I'll bring up my drawing here. So our ring is going to be 20 millimeters in diameter on the outside, 17.5 on the inside, 5 millimeters wide, and with an outside facet of 0.5 at 45 degrees. So, and then we have a radius there of 0.3. So let me start out with, well, let me explain first. We're going to have our XY plane as in center, but we need to have some planes offset here at 2.5 to set our outside sketch, and then one plane offset from that to create our facets here at 0.5 millimeter inset from the outside. So our first step is going to be to create some planes. So we'll grab our XY plane here, and our distance is going to be 2.5. Not inches. Let me get my inches changed to millimeters here, and apply that there. Now let's try this one more time. Okay, XY plane 2.5, and then we're going to do multiple planes, and our next plane we want to be offset from this one here at 0.5, and we only need one, but we need it to be offset to the inside. So let's go reverse this. So now we've got a plane here at 2.5, and then one offset there, offset from that at 0.5 millimeter. We'll click apply and close that. Okay, now we can put some sketches in here. So we'll grab our XY plane, activate our sketch, grab our regular polygon tool. We're going to have 12 facets, and we're going to use the inscribed polygon setting, and we'll sketch, apply that, and we want to make sure that on this sketch that we have our apex at the top. So we want to make sure that we have a vertical from our origin to the apex point of this sketch. So we'll grab our vertical constraints and put in vertical there, and then dimension this reference circle at 20. Okay, and now on the next sketch will actually be on our 0.5 millimeter offset plane, so that we can get our horizontal lines set up at, and our diameter is still going to be 20, but our top here is going to be horizontal on that sketch. So let me grab this next sketch plane, and again grab our polygon tool, 12 inscribed, apply, and now here we want this line to be horizontal, and dimension this at 20. Okay, now in the next one on the outside plane is going to be aligned with our second sketch, but it's going to be 0.5 millimeter smaller, because that one is going to define this outside facets, which are going to be offset by 1/2 millimeter. So let me have this. We got 12 for inscribed, and apply and close. And now let's put a horizontal constraint on this line, and now we need to project this top line as a reference figure and maintain the association, and then we'll dimension this at 0.5, and that gives us all of our sketches. Now the next thing we're going to do is put our loft in here. We're going to loft between our outside two sketches. Grab our loft tool, loft from this sketch to this sketch with no tangency, no guide curves, and no twist minimization, and just click apply and OK on that. Okay, now we need to start creating our facets. So we're going to create our first facet on the top here, which is a triangular shape, and we need a plane to sketch on. And in order to sketch on, or to create a plane, we need two lines, some points, and we don't have a point. So let's edit this sketch here. We'll edit this. Back up. Edit, and then we're going to insert points from sketch on this top node. Click that and apply and close that, and we'll regenerate. Now we can insert our plane from this edge to that point. So we'll go up here, we'll grab our insert planes, grab this edge and this point, and click apply and close. Okay, now on this plane, let's activate a sketch, and we're going to project to sketch this line that we have on our top edge, and then we'll draw two more lines to finish the triangle. So we have these lines connected at the end points, and then we'll connect to that point, and then we'll go ahead and extrude that to a depth of 1. And looking at this, since we're coming off this plane at an angle, we want to make sure that we don't have any voids inside the ring, which is could cause any problems. So we'll just add some draft to this so that we bring this face of this extrusion down into the body of the loft. So let's go to see if 8 is going to be a large enough angle, and if we click on the face there, we can see that the whole outside perimeter is highlighted. So let's bring up our equation editor and go to extrusion 6, and we have an angle here of 8. Let's go to 10, and now if we click on there, now we can see we have a perimeter border around that extrusion there. Okay, now we need to put in our second facet from this face to a point over here. So let's edit this sketch number 1 again. We're going to edit sketch 1, and again we'll add an insert point from sketch, and we'll grab this node and apply, close, and regenerate. And now we can insert a plane from this edge to this point, and click apply and close that. And then again we'll activate our sketch and project to sketch that line, maintain the association, and now we can come in here and we'll grab our sketch tools, go from this point, and we're going to do another coincident from these endpoints or nodes to this point, and then again we'll extrude, and this time we need to reverse our extrusion, same 1 millimeter depth and the same angle of 10 degrees. Okay, so now just to clear up our clutter a little bit, I'm going to turn off those planes so they're not. As a matter of fact, I'll turn off these other offset planes also. Okay, so now create a circular pattern, select our two faceteds, key in number 12, and our center will be our axis, and we're okay there. Okay, now just so that we can fill in the center point here, or the center of this, so that we don't have any voids inside, we'll come out here and we'll grab our sketch 3, actually turn on our plane here. We're going to do a sketch on this plane, activate 2D sketch, and we'll project sketch, and we'll grab sketch 2, or sketch 3 rather, maintain figure type and maintain association, and then we'll extrude this, and we'll go to geometry and select our XY plane and okay that. So now we have this all filled. Go up here and hit our mirror, and we're going to mirror the entire part, and our mirror plane will be the XY, and okay that. And there's that. So now on either this face or the XY plane, one more sketch here, and this will be a circle at 17.5, and this will be an extrude through all. And our final will be a fillet of 0.3. I'll just grab this face, and that fillets on both sides. Click close, and there's our ring complete. So a couple of hotkeys: Control Shift P to turn off our planes, Control Shift K turn off sketches, and there we have our completed ring. So the only thing left to do would be to apply some different colors to this, whether it's going to be, say it's going to be a gold ring, throw some gold color on there, and there you go. So hope these steps help you out. Maybe these techniques will help you on some other parts that you've got modeling that you need odd planes to put in. So at any rate, any questions, leave them in the comments, and thanks for watching.